Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a chill crawl down your spine? What if I told you that the darkness above us hides secrets far more terrifying than any horror movie? From invisible killers drifting silently through the void, to cosmic events so powerful they could erase Earth in the blink of an eye, space isn't just fascinating, it's horrifying. Stay with me because the eighth fact is something scientists hope you never get to experience in your lifetime. 1. Space isn't silent, it screams. We often hear that space is silent, but that's not entirely true. NASA once recorded eerie sounds coming from planets and stars, not with microphones, but by capturing electromagnetic waves and converting them into audio. The results? Whispers, screams, and unsettling hums that sound like something out of a nightmare. Imagine floating in the void, hearing a bone-chilling static roar from Jupiter or a shrieking pulse from Saturn's rings. And here's the creepiest part. Some of these signals are still unexplained. Who or what is really screaming out there? Keep watching because later we'll talk about another sound from space that has scientists completely baffled. 2. Rogue planets. Worlds with no home. Not all planets orbit stars. Some are rogue planets, wandering through space in total darkness. No sunlight, no warmth, just endless night. Astronomers believe there could be more rogue planets than stars in the Milky Way. Imagine a lifeless, frozen giant drifting silently, and one day, passing dangerously close to Earth, disrupting our orbit. The universe doesn't need aliens to destroy us. Sometimes it's just a lonely planet on a collision course. 3. Black holes, the silent predators. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic monsters, invisible, inescapable, and hungry. If Earth ever drifted near one, we wouldn't even notice at first. Our planet would stretch, bend, and finally shred apart into a stream of atoms, sucked into nothingness. And here's something terrifying. Astronomers have discovered rogue black holes moving across galaxies. We can't see them, we only know they're there when they consume something. For all we know, one could be drifting toward us right now. Stick around because Fact 6 will make you realize black holes aren't the only invisible killers lurking out there. 4. Time stops at the edge of a black hole. Speaking of black holes, here's where things get stranger. If you fell toward one, time itself would warp. From an outsider's perspective, you'd appear frozen forever at the edge. But to you, you'd continue falling, faster and faster into eternal darkness. It's a paradox that bends our understanding of reality. What's on the other side? No one knows. Some scientists even suggest black holes could be gateways to other universes. Creepy thought, what if we're inside one right now and don't even realize it? 5. Dark matter, the invisible force. Everything you can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest? Dark matter and dark energy. Invisible, untouchable, and undetectable. Except for the way they warp reality. It's like an unseen hand shaping galaxies, bending light, and controlling the universe. And here's the haunting part. We live inside this darkness every second, yet scientists have no idea what it really is. 6. Gamma ray bursts, the universe's death rays. Imagine a beam of energy so powerful it could wipe out an entire planet's atmosphere in seconds. That's a gamma ray burst. These cosmic explosions are the most violent events since the Big Bang. If one ever struck Earth, without warning, it would strip away our ozone layer, boil oceans, and make life impossible. The terrifying truth? Gamma ray bursts happen all the time. We're just lucky they haven't pointed at us. Yet. And if you think that's terrifying, wait until we reach fact number 9. It's even more unstoppable. 7. The coldest place in the universe. You'd think space is freezing, but most of it is a few degrees above absolute zero. Still, there's one spot even colder than that, the Boomerang Nebula. It's colder than the background temperature of the universe itself, reaching 272 degrees C. That's just 1 degree away from absolute zero, the point where atoms stop moving. It's a place where life, time, and even motion itself dies. 8. The Great Attractor, a cosmic mystery. Here's the fact I warned you about. Our entire galaxy, along with thousands of others, is being pulled towards something enormous, something unseen, called the Great Attractor. We don't know what it is, because it's hidden behind clouds of dust and stars. Some scientists think it's a supermassive black hole. Others believe it could be something far stranger, maybe even a rip in the structure of the universe. And here's the nightmare. We're moving toward it at 600 kilometers per second. There's no turning back. 9. Vacuum decay, the end of reality. Now for one of the scariest theories in physics. What if the universe isn't stable? What if one day a tiny bubble of true vacuum forms, where the laws of physics themselves break? That bubble would expand at the speed of light, erasing everything in existence instantly. No warning, no escape. Reality itself could collapse without us ever knowing it happened. 10. The loneliness of the future universe. Billions of years from now, stars will burn out, galaxies will fade, and the universe will grow colder and darker. Eventually, black holes will evaporate, leaving behind nothing but endless emptiness. A place with no light, no warmth, no life, just eternal silence. And if consciousness somehow survived, imagine the horror of being the last thing alive in a universe that's completely dead. So now you know, space isn't just beautiful, it's terrifying. Invisible forces, cosmic predators, and an uncertain future that could vanish in an instant. But here's the haunting question. With all this cosmic horror above us, do you still dare look at the stars tonight? Because somewhere out there, something might already be watching you.